Hi everybody, we're going to check what letters and sounds Autumn knows today. So I have this slideshow on my computer and I'll put that in the description. If you look down below, the file will be there for you to open up and try at home. So we're going to flip through the letters and sounds and you're going to tell me what the letter is and then what sound it makes, okay? What's that letter? Try again. It's not L. What is that one?
It looks like an L.
That one's an I. What does I say? Good job. So I'm going to just write down the letters and the sounds. Good. So Autumn knows the I sound. What's that letter?
A.
What does A say?
For
Good
me.
job. Yes, for your name. What's that letter?
It's not
What's this letter here?
a P.
P. What does P say?
Like my friend in my class called Penny.
Oh, nice. Okay, what letter is that?
N.
Not N. It looks kind of like N.
I think I know what it is.
That one is H.
N.
What does H say?
Oh, it's not what I was thinking.
Do you remember? What does H say? The action goes like this. That's right.
Like
Good.
you're licking a candle.
So that one I'm not going to write down because he didn't get it right away and we needed some prompts. So we know that he hasn't consolidated it yet. He doesn't know it right away. So we'll keep practicing the H.
Yeah, it's not.
What is this letter?
D.
D. What does D say?
Duh.
D. Good. And kids often get confused with that one because it looks like another letter that we know. We'll see if we can find it later. What's that letter?
M.
M. What does M say? Good job.
Like this one.
It is a lot like the D. This is the D. So what's this one?
D.
That one's the B.
No.
Yes, that's the B. You know how we tell? The B has a big belly in front and the D has a big diaper in the back. So B has a big belly in the front, D has a big diaper in the back. What does B say? B says,
Beep, boop, boop, beep. Yeah.
do your good thinking. Let's see what letter this is. So sometimes if your child is getting distracted like this, sometimes it's better just to stop and try again later with the rest of them because you don't want them to, you want them to show their best.
Let's get out. Let's get out some blankets. Yeah.
Okay, so we're ready to keep going and we're going to try this next letter. What is that one?
J.
J. What does J say?
We already go to this one. We already go to this house.
Well, what does that one say?
J.
J. Good job. What's this letter?
We'll put them over you.
Okay,
So-
thank you.
You don't get close.
Thank you. What's this letter?
Y.
That's not Y.
Y.
That one is V. Good. V says,
What?
what does V say? Like vacuum. Right?
Ruff.
Good. So if I have to give any prompting at all, I don't give it to him this time because I want him to really know it. Usually we kind of test it about 3 times, and if he gets it right away 3 times, then that is a good indication that he has consolidated it. What's that letter?
Z.
Z, yeah. And what does Z say?
Z.
Zzz. Good job.
Z.
What's that one?
W.
W says,
W.
W. Good job.
Hey, it looks like the same one we did.
It does look like the V. That's the V. It has one valley. And the W has two valleys, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we like to do it like this. Make a V. And now take your other hand and make a V. And put them together to make a W. V and V. Hey, look at that. You made a W. Down the mountain, up the mountain, down the mountain, up the mountain. Good job. Hey, what's this letter?
We're trying to do a triangle here.
Oh yeah, you're making a triangle with your fingers. Nice. I remember this letter. Do you remember it?
X.
X. What does X say? X. Good one. So that tells me what letters we'll keep working on and which letters we already know really well. And that way we have our next steps for letters to practice. Good job. Here we go. What letter is that?
I.
I says, shh. Good. SH together says, shh. Good. What's this one? CH together says,
Chugging train.
choo choo.
Chugging
Good.
train.
What's this one?
Oh, that's a naughty clown.
The naughty clown says,
Because it's sticking its tongue out.
that's right. You put your tongue between your teeth and you say,
Tuesday.
like Thursday. Good. Try it again.
And Thursday.
Nice one. And last one. What's this one? WH says, wha, wha, like whisper. Wha, wha, whisper.
Yeah, we did that. Only says this.
WH together says whisper or what or which. It still says wha, wha, wha. That's right. It's almost like a silent H there. Nice job.